I whisper that I really need you in my life.
This feeling's for you. This feeling's for you. This feeling's for you. This feeling's for you.
I won't be looking for it.
this a game? Is this a game? Always try looking perfect, always try to look good, but his beauty's too painful, I don't know if I should. Everything's so expensive, all the girls are so mean, all this pressure to deal with, and I am just a teen. My friends don't really get me since they have everything. Sometimes I'm trying to fake it cause I wanna fit in. I have to pay my nails, curl my hair to be sweet, acting like someone else, always feeling complete. Is this a game? I have to play. Why should I care? What other people say? Is this a game? Is this a game? All these things need to stop, all these lies have to end. I am who I am, there's no need to pretend. I feel different today, I'm gonna act like myself. I will let down my head, I don't try to forget. But then again, I'm a dumb, feels like I'm stuck in a loop. I'm losing myself again, in the chain. I'm a hoop, I am breaking the chain, I will no longer give in. Tired of being a princess, from now on I'm a queen. Is this a game? I have to play. Why should I care? What other people say? Is this a game? Is this a game? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Is this a game? Is this a game? Every time I'm in the mirror, I see you looking at me, leaning on my shoulder, holding my hand, kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics on the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here but you're not. I wish you're gone. Thought it'd be a little clearer after some time, and I would see only me in the mirror, but you're still here looking at me. So when you said forever, was it a lie? What did you mean? Was the story really over? You know, in my book it was you and me. I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics on the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month it was horrible, and yeah, I I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. Every time you ask me out, I say maybe next time. Have so many things to do, so boy, just get in line. You need to book a schedule if you wanna cross my mind. You will have to wait, but I'm sure it's worth a try. You know time is money. 60 seconds on your running. So if you wanna make it work, honey, I have a little window, let me start counting. 3. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. You know time is money. 60 seconds on your running. So if you wanna make it work, honey, I have a little window, let me start counting. 3, 2. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday. I'm busy, I'm busy Monday, Friday. I'm busy, Monday, Friday, not today.